Welcome to Brain Vision.
All right, we want to write an expression that represents the graph we see here. Notice that the graph has three pieces. We have a piece of a line, a piece of a circle, and a piece of a line. So we're going to write a piecewise function. Okay, so let's calculate the equation of the line segment on the left. So we notice that it has a slope of -3/2 because it goes down 3 and right 2. So we can use that as our slope. And then we can use the point -2, 0, and let's use point slope form to find the equation of the line. So y minus 0 equals -3/2 times x minus -2. So y equals -3/2 times x plus 2. So y equals -3/2 x minus 3 is the equation of that line. So that's our first piece. And the domain for that piece is just from x equals -4 to x equals -2. Okay, let's go ahead and find the equation of the other line. So it has a slope of +3/2, and it goes through the point 2, 0. So we can do the same kind of thing. Y minus 0 equals 3/2 times x minus 2. And we get y equals 3/2 x minus 3. Okay, so we can put that into our piecewise function as well. And for that piece, it's only going from x equals 2 to x equals 4, so we can put in that domain, +2 to +4. Now, for the piece in the middle, it goes from x equals -2 to x equals +2, and I'm just going to put less than signs, not less than or equal to signs, because we already used the equal to signs when we did the first piece and the third piece. Notice that the middle piece is half a circle, and the equation of a circle is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared, where hk is the center. The center of this circle is 0, 0, so we just have x squared plus y squared equals, and the radius is 2, so we have 2 squared, 4. What we want to do with this is we want to solve it for y and just take the top half of the circle. So x squared plus y squared equals 4. We isolate y in that equation, subtract x squared from both sides, and square root. When we square root, we have plus or minus the square root of 4 minus x squared. Now, the plus part, that's the top half of the circle. And the minus part, that's the bottom half of the circle. We want the top half of the circle. So we want the square root of 4 minus x squared. And there's the function that matches the graph.